Hey everyone, welcome back. If the NAB app keeps logging you out automatically, this is usually a security or a session issue. First, make sure that you're using the latest version of your app. Go to the App Store, search for your app, and then make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then, avoid switching networks while you're using the app as unstable connections can force automatic logouts. Log out manually, then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, and then swipe it away. After that, only reopen it and log in again. If the issue continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for the app, and reinstall it from there. Reopen the app and log in again. If the issue continues, if none of these steps worked, contact the NAB support as repeated logouts can sometimes be caused by account security settings, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.